Welcome back, everyone. Today we're diving into a highly requested explainer covering the F5 Network's Big IP DNS Specialist 302 exam. Look, we all know this is a rigorous, demanding test for IT professionals. Frankly, it can be incredibly stressful to prep for. So let's break down exactly how to effectively tackle it.
Get this, 50%. Approximately half of all candidates actually fail the 302 exam. And, it's not because the material is just impossible to learn. It's mostly due to test anxiety and a lack of confidence when exam day rolls around. We're going to make sure you absolutely aren't part of that statistic.
So, here is our roadmap for today. We'll cover 1. The 302 exam challenge, 2. Simulating the real exam, 3. Customizing your practice, 4. Smart learning features, 5. Mobile app and offline study, and finally, 6. Ready for the test.
All right, starting right off with Section 1, the 302 exam challenge.
When it comes to grasping the massive amount of topics covered, the absolute best approach is learning by doing. So, we're going to dive right into some actual multiple-choice practice questions you'll face on the exam to give you a feel for it. Moving right along into Section 2, simulating the real exam. You really want to simulate the pressure in exam mode or learn at your own pace in practice mode? Let's look at a real demo question right now. Which DNS record type is used to map a hostname to an IPv4 address? Option A, AAA, Option B, CNAME, Option C, A, Option D, MX. Next up is Section 3, customizing your practice. You can completely adjust the parameters here, like duration from 10 to 120 minutes, passing scores from 30 to 80%, number of tests, and specific topics. Speaking of topics, let's test one with another demo question. What is the default time to live for a DNS record in Big IP? Option A, 30. Option B, 60. Option C, 3600. Option D, 86,400. All right, on to Section 4, Smart Learning Features. This is where learning mode comes in, instantly displaying correct answers to provide immediate feedback. Let's try one more demo question to see it in action. Which load balancing method selects the server with the fewest active connections? Option A, round robin. Option B, least connections. Option C, global availability. Option D, ratio. Learning mode will instantly show you that the correct answer is B. And honestly, it's the little things that help too. Interface features like auto-scroll and auto-swipe automatically move the screen to the next question. It totally reduces clicks and friction, keeping you entirely in that deep flow state of studying. There's also a great bookmark feature. You just save the difficult questions to review later. It's a fantastic way to target your specific weaknesses and actually learn from your mistakes way before test day. Let's hit Section 5, Mobile App and Offline Study. As the source perfectly puts it, practice wherever, whenever you want. And to get access to all these incredible features, we highly recommend using EasyQuiz.com. EasyQuiz offers a fantastic online web simulator, as well as a dedicated mobile app for both iOS and Android. It gives you full two-way web sync and, get this, 100% offline capability. So whether you're commuting or just away from Wi-Fi, your progress is always safely saved. Finally, Section 6, ready for the test. So what's the bottom line here? Are you ready to crack your 302 exam? Seriously, do not let test anxiety hold you back. Head straight over to easyquizzes.com, leverage their online web simulator and that mobile app, and go claim your F5 certification. You've absolutely got this.